Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with CrashPlan alternatives for USA users, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your data using CrashPlan alternatives, start by assessing your specific backup needs. Research various backup solutions available in the USA such as Backblaze, Carbonite, Acronis, or iDrive. Visit the official website of your chosen backup service to understand its features and pricing. Create an account by inputting your email address and choosing a secure password. Download the software or application provided by the service you selected. Install the software on your computer by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, open the program and log in with your account credentials. Navigate to the Settings or Preferences section to configure your backup options. Select the files and folders you wish to backup, ensuring you include critical data. Choose the frequency of backups, whether continuous, daily, weekly, or customized. Designate the backup location, whether it's cloud storage or an external drive. If available, take advantage of encryption options to secure your data during transfers. Review any additional features, such as file versioning or archiving, that might be beneficial for your needs. Initiate the first backup process, understanding it might take some time based on your internet speed and data size. Monitor the backup progress within the application to ensure everything is functioning properly. Once the initial backup is complete, check to confirm all selected data has been safely stored. Set reminders to periodically check the backup status and update settings as necessary. Consider setting up notifications to alert you about backup completions or issues. Regularly review the backup service's updates and features to make sure you are getting the best performance. Finally, practice making test restores to ensure your data can be retrieved without complications in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.